Chosen one, have you ever felt the profound pull of a spiritual awakening? Have you wondered how far you've journeyed on this path? Or if perhaps you've completed it? What if I told you that the end of your spiritual awakening is not a final destination, but rather a transformative milestone on a continuous journey of growth and self-discovery? A spiritual awakening is a profound journey that transforms your perception of life and your place in the universe. It's not a linear path with a clear endpoint, but a continuous process of growth and self-discovery that evolves with you. When I speak of the end of a spiritual awakening, I refer to reaching a new level of understanding and awareness. It's about integrating significant lessons into your life and embarking on a new phase of spiritual development. During a spiritual awakening, you navigate through various stages, each offering unique lessons and insights. These stages aren't sequential. They blend into one another, creating a seamless flow of experiences and realizations. Feeling that your spiritual awakening is complete signifies that you've successfully integrated many of these lessons into your life. This integration brings a sense of profound clarity and a shift in perspective where the world seems more interconnected and purposeful. Each stage of the journey is like a chapter in a book, filled with its own challenges, revelations, and growth opportunities. Initially, you might encounter confusion and upheaval as your old beliefs and patterns are questioned. This is often referred to as the dark night of the soul, where you confront the deepest parts of yourself. As daunting as it may seem, this stage is crucial for shedding the layers of the ego and preparing you for deeper insights. As you progress, you start experiencing moments of profound clarity and peace. These moments are glimpses of your true essence, reminding you of the infinite potential within. You begin to see beyond the surface of life, recognizing the underlying unity and purpose. This shift in awareness brings a sense of inner peace and connection to the universe. However, reaching this point doesn't mean the journey is over. Instead, it marks the beginning of a new phase where you continue to evolve and grow. Each lesson learned becomes a stepping stone, guiding you towards deeper self-awareness and spiritual understanding. The journey is continuous, with each phase building upon the previous one, enriching your experience and expanding your consciousness. One of the most significant signs of completing a major phase in your spiritual awakening is the ability to let go of attachments and ego. Attachments are connections and dependencies formed with people, possessions, and ideas. The ego, the aspect of your personality concerned with self-importance, becomes a barrier to spiritual growth. Recognizing these barriers and releasing them allows you to find inner peace and true essence, free from external validations. Letting go of attachments and ego is not about rejecting or devaluing relationships or possessions, but about understanding that your true essence is not tied to them. You begin to see that your worth and identity are inherent and not dependent on external factors. This realization brings a profound sense of freedom and inner peace. As you progress through your spiritual awakening, you start to recognize how attachments and ego have influenced your life. You might notice that certain relationships or material possessions no longer hold the same significance they once did. This shift in perspective is not about renouncing these things, but about understanding their true place in your life. You develop a sense of inner calm and resilience, knowing that your happiness and peace are not contingent on external circumstances. This shift allows you to approach life with greater equanimity and clarity. You become less reactive to situations that would have previously triggered strong emotional responses. Instead, you respond with a sense of calm and understanding rooted in your inner peace. This process of letting go is a significant milestone in your spiritual journey. It signifies that you are moving beyond the superficial layers of the ego and attachments, connecting with your true essence. This connection brings a sense of peace and clarity, guiding you towards deeper spiritual understanding and growth. Trusting the universe is another crucial milestone. This trust means believing that everything happens for a reason and that the universe has your best interests at heart. As this trust deepens, you find a profound sense of peace and assurance, understanding that life's challenges are part of a greater plan designed to help you grow and evolve. This perspective allows you to face difficulties with grace and resilience. When you trust the universe, you feel a profound sense of peace and assurance. You begin to understand that life's challenges and hardships are part of a greater plan designed to help you grow and evolve. This perspective allows you to face difficulties with grace and resilience, knowing that each experience holds valuable lessons. Trusting the universe means you no longer feel the need to control every aspect of your life. Instead, you can surrender to the flow of life, confident that you are being guided towards your highest good. This surrender is not about giving up, but about letting go of the need to control and trusting that everything is unfolding as it should. One of the key indicators that you have developed this trust is the sense of calm and acceptance that pervades your life. You are less likely to worry about the future or dwell on the past. Instead, you live more fully in the present moment, appreciating the beauty and opportunities it offers. This present moment awareness is a clear sign that you have embraced a deeper level of trust in the universe. Another sign of this trust is your ability to follow your intuition. As you become more in tune with your inner self, you start to recognize the subtle guidance from the universe. You feel more confident in making decisions based on your intuition rather than relying solely on logic or external advice. This intuitive guidance helps you navigate life with a sense of ease and confidence, reinforcing your trust in the universe's plan for you. Appreciating life and its simple moments is a clear indication that you're nearing the completion of a significant phase in your spiritual awakening. Finding joy and gratitude in everyday experiences fosters a deeper connection to the present moment. This newfound appreciation extends to your relationships and the world around you, enhancing your connections and fostering meaningful relationships. As you progress through your spiritual journey, you begin to see the beauty and value in everyday experiences and moments. This appreciation is a clear sign that you are nearing the completion of a major phase in your spiritual awakening. Appreciating life means finding joy and gratitude in the simple things. You start to notice the small details that you might have previously overlooked. The warmth of the sun on your face, the sound of birds singing, the feeling of a gentle breeze. These experiences, which once seemed mundane, become sources of profound joy and contentment. This shift in perspective indicates that you have developed a deeper connection to the present moment and a greater awareness of the world around you. This newfound appreciation extends to all aspects of your life. You begin to value your relationships more deeply, recognizing the unique contributions of each person in your life. You feel a sense of gratitude for the love, support, and lessons they provide. This gratitude enhances your connections with others, fostering more meaningful and fulfilling relationships. Appreciating life also means recognizing the impermanence of all things. You understand that every moment is fleeting and that each experience is a gift. This awareness encourages you to savor each moment and to live more fully and authentically. You become more present, less preoccupied with past regrets or future anxieties, and more focused on the here and now. This appreciation for life is a profound shift in perspective that indicates a deeper level of spiritual understanding. It signifies that you are more in tune with the present moment and the beauty of life. This connection brings a sense of joy and fulfillment, guiding you towards deeper spiritual growth and self-awareness. An essential milestone in your spiritual awakening is the increased ability to forgive and release past traumas. As you progress through your journey, you develop a deeper understanding of the impact of holding on to grudges and unresolved emotional pain. This understanding leads to a transformative process of letting go, which is crucial for your spiritual growth and inner peace. Forgiveness starts with self-compassion. You begin to recognize that holding on to past hurts only perpetuates your suffering. By forgiving yourself for any perceived mistakes or shortcomings, you free yourself from the burden of guilt and shame. This self-forgiveness is a powerful step towards healing, as it allows you to embrace your humanity and imperfections without harsh judgment. Releasing past traumas involves acknowledging and processing your emotions rather than suppressing or ignoring painful memories. You confront them with courage and compassion. This process may involve reflecting on past experiences, understanding the emotions they evoke, and finding healthy ways to express and release these feelings. Journaling, therapy, and mindfulness practices are valuable tools in this journey, helping you gain clarity and insight into your emotional landscape. As you let go of past traumas, you free yourself from the emotional blocks that hinder your spiritual progress. As you progress through your spiritual awakening, you begin to develop a strong sense of inner guidance and direction. This inner knowing is a profound indicator that you are nearing the completion of a significant phase in your spiritual journey. It helps you navigate life with confidence and clarity, indicating that you are more in tune with your true self and the universe. Developing inner guidance involves cultivating a deep connection with your intuition. Intuition is the subtle voice within that guides you towards your highest good. As you become more attuned to this inner voice, you start to recognize its wisdom and trust its guidance. This trust in your intuition allows you to make decisions with greater confidence and clarity, knowing that you are being guided towards your true path. This inner guidance helps you navigate life's challenges and uncertainties with ease. You become less reliant on external advice and validation, trusting that you have the answers within you. This sense of self-reliance and confidence is a clear sign that you are more in tune with your true essence and the universe. As you develop inner guidance, you also begin to feel a stronger sense of direction and purpose. You start to recognize your passions and values and align your actions with them. This alignment brings a sense of fulfillment and joy as you are living in accordance with your true self. You feel more connected to your purpose, and this connection brings a sense of meaning and fulfillment to your life. Heightened self-awareness is a significant sign that you are nearing the completion of a major phase in your spiritual awakening. This involves recognizing your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors, and understanding how they shape your experiences. By observing these internal processes with curiosity and compassion, you address underlying causes effectively, fostering personal growth and spiritual development. Achieving greater self-awareness involves cultivating a habit of self-reflection. You start to take a step back from your experiences and observe them with a detached and non-judgmental perspective. This self-reflection allows you to gain insight into your thoughts and emotions, understanding how they influence your actions and interactions with others. As you become more self-aware, you start to recognize patterns in your behavior and thought processes. You notice how certain triggers evoke specific emotional responses and how these responses shape your interactions and decisions. This awareness allows you to address underlying causes and make conscious choices that are in alignment with your true self. Greater self-awareness also involves developing a deeper understanding of your strengths and weaknesses. You start to recognize your unique talents and gifts, and how you can use them to contribute to the world. This understanding brings a sense of purpose and fulfillment as you align your actions with your true essence. This milestone signifies a deepening of your spiritual awakening, as you become more attuned to your inner self and the world around you. It indicates that you are more in tune with your true essence and the universe, guiding you towards deeper self-awareness and spiritual understanding. This connection brings a sense of peace and fulfillment helping you navigate life with confidence and clarity. Reaching a state of inner peace is perhaps the most profound sign that you are nearing the completion of a major phase in your spiritual awakening. Inner peace reflects a deep understanding and acceptance of yourself and the world around you. It begins with self-acceptance and removes internal conflict, paving the way for a peaceful inner state. Inner peace is a state of being where you feel a deep sense of calm and tranquility, regardless of external circumstances. This peace is not dependent on the absence of challenges or difficulties, but is a result of your inner resilience and understanding. It signifies a deep connection to your true essence and the universe, allowing you to navigate life with grace and equanimity. Achieving inner peace involves cultivating a habit of mindfulness and presence. You start to live more fully in the present moment, appreciating the beauty and opportunities it offers. This present moment awareness allows you to let go of past regrets and future anxieties, bringing a sense of peace and contentment to your life. As you embrace inner peace, you also develop a sense of acceptance and understanding towards yourself and others. You start to recognize that everyone is on their own unique journey, and that each experience holds valuable lessons. This acceptance allows you to approach life with greater compassion and kindness, fostering more meaningful and fulfilling relationships. This milestone signifies a deepening of your spiritual awakening as you connect with your inner peace and true essence. It indicates that you are more in tune with your true self and the universe, guiding you towards deeper self-awareness and spiritual understanding. This connection brings a sense of peace and fulfillment, helping you navigate life with confidence and clarity. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the spiritual awakening journey. Remember, while you may feel like you've reached an end, your spiritual journey continues to unfold, offering new challenges and opportunities for growth. Embrace each phase with gratitude and trust in the universe's plan for you. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more, please consider clicking the subscribe button. Your support is greatly appreciated. Feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Until next time, take care and continue your journey of self-discovery.